Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Subasri, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from SNS College of Technology. This is my lecture series videos. In this first lecture series videos, I'll just share you about the fruitful function, what it is. Already we have seen what function is. Function, which is helpful to build a particular program. It's helpful to make building blocks for the fundamental programming language. So already we have seen what it is. Now we'll just see in depth about the fruitful functions, how the fruitful function return the values, and what are the parameters we can pass inside. Like we have two types of parameters, call by value and call by references. Let's see what are the parameters we can use to do the function programming languages. So a quick recap about the last session, which we have already seen about the code blocks, which have functions like which helps you to make the code block, and it has well-defined tasks also. So examples we have seen how to print the message and reduce the code duplication with the help of the function programming language, and it also helps you to improve the readability of the program. So what are the written values in the function programming we have is, first thing is, we'll just concentrate about sending the data back. That is, we will just send the data back with the help of a return statement. A return statement which helps you to send the data from through the function call. Will just return the value. That is, we'll make a function call. After the function call, it will do the process and it will return the value. And the evaluation phase also happens here. So the example syntax here, which first for defining a function, we'll use the def keyword, and we'll give the function name like get value of. And if we are giving a value like 42, it will return the value as 42. So this will be automatically stored in the memory, and also it is used for the function directly. And what are the written values essential, for what purpose we are using the written values, and what for what it is essential. The main three key points here it is mentioned. That is, first thing is, we'll use it for the calculation and retrieval purpose. That is, for making the complex calculation and also data retrieval techniques, we'll use this that is written values. And also the complex logic, that is complex logic is it will help you to do such operations like data validation and decision making processes. Like if you are purchasing on Amazon or some other website, you'll use this complex logic for creating a websites like Amazon's and Flipkart's. And expression integration also, it's being used like for integrating the function into an expression, and also for assignment, making assignment statements like greater than, less than, or equal to conditional statements. We'll use this return values. And moving on to the parameters, with the input flexibility, the parameters like what we are using this for data placeholders, and also for the purpose of defining the signature, and also argument passing methods. For these all the purposes, we'll use this parameter passing techniques, like for data function needs, and also for performing the operations. Like if you are using two arguments like local value or global value, anything it may be. If you are passing a values inside, you'll use a def keyword for defining the function name, and you'll just mention it as argument 1 and 2, the signature phase. And also the argument passing, which helps you to make the function call easily. And what are the power parameters we have is, we have adaptability and reusability, encapsulation and modularity. In adaptability, the particular input data has to be adaptable to the code what we are giving, and the reusability, it will modify the existing data. While even the code is has been given, we'll just modify the existing data with the help of the reusability. And encapsulation technique, which will help you to limit the reliance of your global variables which you have given. And also modularity, which helps you to enhance the model phases which you have, and make the testing phases enabled with the help of the modularity phase. And the fruitful function, you have to do same as the data what we are giving inside with the help of the input phase, the process being started. After that process, which will make the do the internal processes, and output is being given in the written values. So on the practical examples what we have in the calculators are like the function definitions, and we'll calculate the particular function what we are giving, and we'll have the inputs, and also we'll return the value. That is for price calculator we have taken that. And also for the string manipulation technique, like function purposes and for input parameters and output formats, we'll use this string manipulation techniques. And moving on to the conclusion, we'll just see, I have seen what are the flexible inputs we have and how we'll clear the outputs, and what are the powerful code we can make using the help of the fruitful functions. So thank you all. Let us see you on the next lecture series.